Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is your boy James from What's Your Forte, and today we're going to be installing a spoiler on my F90 M5 and also some Keys Motorsports spacers. Let's go ahead and get to it. All right, everyone, so this is what the Keys Motorsports Forge wheel spacers look like. This is the box that it comes in, and if you look right here, they have 10, 12, 13, 15, 18, 20, E, F, G, and other fitment. These things look great. The packaging looks great. These are brand new from Keys Motorsports. So he went and got his own branded spacers. So let's see what's inside the box. So inside the box, it's packaged very well. You got your spacers. You got the Keys logo right there. Everything's looking good. So you got two spacers in here, and then below this, you have the extended studs. So these are going to be the extended lug nuts that you're going to need. So it actually comes in with the spacers. So this is a nice kit, and if you're interested in it, we'll be having it linked down below. So I like the way it's packaged. I like the way everything looks. And the reason why I went with this instead of doing stud conversion this time at this moment is because like last two cars I did stud conversions on, sometimes those nuts start rusting and it looks bad and you have to keep replacing them. So I wanted to try extended lugs and also wanted to try this kit out. So I want to see how it's going to look with this. So there's the spacers. This is the kit. I'm going with 15 millimeter in the rear and 13 millimeter in the front. So let's go ahead and get these installed. Could put the car back down, and then I'll also install the spoiler, and we'll see what the car looks like once we get all this installed. Let's get to it. All right, so I already have the wheel off for the front right here. So what you want to do is kind of clean this hub up a little bit, and then also put on some anti-seize. So you kind of want to do that just so if you ever have to take this off again, it's not a pain in your butt. So I'm going to clean this up, put some anti-seize on it, put the spacer on, then we'll be good to go. All right, everyone, so the lugs fit perfectly, spacers fit in here perfectly, everything's looking really good. So now I'm going to go ahead and do all four corners, drop the car, and then put the spoiler on, and then I'll be able to take it outside and show you guys exactly what it's going to look like. I think it's going to look banging with these spacers. It's just going to complete the look. So let's go ahead and get the other ones done and then get to the spoiler. All right, everyone, so this is the actual spoiler from Keys Motorsports that I got right here. Dry carbon. Looks really, really good. Already has the 3M tape already on the back of it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this, and we should be good to go. Yeah, it's on now. All right, everyone, so I know you're seeing this spoiler right here, and this thing is looking really, really good, really finishing out the rear end of this car. Give you a closer look right there. It's looking good, looking really, really good. Kind of see what it looks like from the back, kind of how it sits up like that. Looking good. Give you a top-down view. Yep. Looking good. Now I'm gonna go ahead and pull the car out so we can look at the spacers, how they sit, and then also with the spoiler. All right, everyone, so the car is finished. Hope y'all enjoy those few cinematics that I gave you. So we'll give you a front look. So on the front, again, we have 13mm spacers, and they fit really nice. And on the rear, it's 15. So you guys can kind of see the rear fitment right there. Perfect. So I did notice something. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys now while it's on my head. I do need an alignment because I'm gonna show you the other side. So you see how this other side, see how it's kind of tucked in? You can kind of look at it, so you can see it really right there, how the front of the wheel is kind of more tucked in and the rear, the bottom of the wheel is sticking out. I believe that's the way it's supposed to be. And then you go on this side and the wheel's straight up and down, and then it sticks out a little more up top. So that lets me know that I probably need an alignment, or this alignment on this wheel is off. So I've already talked to Matt and the team over at Your Empire. We're gonna go ahead and get my car on the alignment rack and get it aligned. Make sure to check the alignment, because something's definitely off. It doesn't match on both sides. So we're definitely gonna take a look at that. And while we're back here, let's take a look at this spoiler. So again, this spoiler from Keys Motorsports. Kind of took a look at it right there. Looks really good. Fit and finish is really nice. And I really enjoy it. This is another look from this side here. Fits really nice. We'll take a look from the back. Oh yeah. Looking really good. So everything came together, man. The spacers look really good. You get the Keys branding on them if you care about that. You can kind of look down in here. Yeah, I'm trying to get in there for you guys, but I don't know, right there. So you can kind of see the Keys branding right there on them, which is kind of cool. So I know I'm still missing the cap. Still missing the cap. I'm working on that. Y'all don't flame me too much. Working on that. I ordered a set, so I'm waiting for it to come in. But all in all, man, the car really has really came together. These spacers really help give it a meaner stance, and we're looking good. We're looking really good. So that's gonna be today's video. If you like the spacers, I have them linked down below. If you like the spoiler, I have it linked down below. So everything will be linked down below. I am gonna be doing a full review of everything that's on the car. I know you guys may be asking about the front lip and some of the other things I have on the car. I will be doing a full review on that. So that's gonna be today's video, man. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you guys are enjoying the car. I'm really loving it. Really loving the color. Really love the way everything came together. So that's going to be today's video. So I'll holler at you guys later. Peace.